Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side business or just want to make a little extra money each month. Passive income can help you earn more in good times and hold you over if you are laid off unexpectedly or take some time off on purpose. If you have established up a stable stream of passive income, you can have money flowing in while performing your regular day job, or you can relax a little. In either situation, having a passive income adds to your financial security. Passive money can be generated in a variety of ways online. So, if you desire a source of income that is not reliant on your location, that you don't have to wake up early and spend long hours in traffic jams, passive income may be for you. All you usually need is a computer and access to the internet to make money. Just remember though that there is no such thing as free money. Even passive money making requires you to do some work to set up the money making process. But once it is set up, it is like having your very own cash printing machine. So in this video, we are going to take a look at top 5 ways to earn passive money. But before we get started, I want to welcome you to the Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and I will teach you the most accurate money-wise and up-to-date tips, ideas, and tricks for you to start making money online. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell on so that you will be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Number 5. Publishing ebooks. You will have to put in some effort up front if you want to create passive revenue without spending any money. This and the next passive income ideas will only become passive with time. Self-publishing books on Kindle is a popular way to commercialize fiction and non-fiction writing. Writing the book, of course, will require the most time and effort of the entire process. You will surely want to consider some marketing strategies in order to get your title noticed. Then all you have to do is sit back and watch the money roll in. Even if you simply charge a few bucks each copy, it might pile up over time if individuals purchase copies for years. You don't need to write thousands of pages. Bestsellers that will feature an afternoon talk show's books club. Often just novels with a few dozen pages will do, if your story is compelling enough. Try to write something that will make your readers dream. The ideas for topics are limitless. Number 4. Small investments, big impact. If you invest correctly in the stock market, you can make a lot of money. However, if you're new to the game, it can be intimidating, especially given the possibility of losing everything. Thanks to the technological advancements and innovation, there is a lot of trading applications on the internets, different app stores. You can now begin investing with as little as your pocket change. Albeit, the more money you put in, the higher your predicted returns over time. Today, 2 forms of investments are popular: robo-advisors and peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer. Robo-advisors take care of your investments by utilizing artificial intelligence to examine trends, performance, and predictions in exchange for a small fee deducted from your earnings. If you don't make money, neither will they. P2P lending gathers funds from a number of investors and leads them to businesses, who can repay the loans with interest. In addition to receiving a passive income, your investment contributes to local economic growth by assisting startups and small businesses. Both of these platforms have their own set of risks. If you are interested in learning more about them, do your research and choose a reliable platform. They must be licensed and regulated by the monetary and security authorities in your area. Number 3. Instagram sponsored posts. If you are a huge Instagram enthusiast like me, you should think about turning your scrolling time into posting time to help you increase your passive income. The greatest part about Instagram is that you can create fan pages for almost any topic. There is something for everyone, whether you prefer travel, fashion, cosmetics, home decor, or something more unique like bizarre dog grooming. There will be a devoted following for you. Sharing consistently high-quality material is the key to getting a significant number of Instagram followers. Stick to one topic so that your followers know they can count on you to deliver more of the same. Make sure you include your email address in your Instagram bio. Sponsored post requests will increase you as your account grows, allowing you to generate money on Instagram. People will contact you if your Instagram posts have a lot of engagement. So, make sure you post engaging stuff. Number 2. Cellular Photography. While it may appear that becoming a photographer is a lucrative business, it's not. Photographers are compensated for more than just taking photographs. They're also for sale. Stock photography sites, publications, and canvas printing for clients are all ways to make a lot of money in the photography industry. All you need is a nice camera to get started. However, you can now use your phone to take images and sell them to generate passive income. You might even take high quality product photos and sell them to e-commerce companies. If you love photography, you may sell your images on stock photo websites and make a nice profit every time someone buys one. Deposit Photos is one of the most popular stock photo markets. You can upload your images and earn money every time they're used. Number 1. Make your car work for you. Driving is another regular action that can be turned into a passive income. Why not pick up a passenger or two while you're already out running errands? Driving your car for Uber will allow you to earn money by transporting individuals to their designated location. You may also earn money by placing AdWords on your car while driving about. Companies will pay you a lot of money to unconsciously peddle their goods for them on the road. Your car is better than a billboard. If you can even make money when your car is not being used while you are on vacation, traveling, or just during a typical workday, you can make thousands of dollars by renting out your car while you're not using it. Using an app like Getaround. Make your car available on Hire Car, where it may be connected with drivers for services like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart to assist someone with their own side hustle journey. These services include insurance, making it less likely that a stranger will steal your car. You can even rent out your driveway or dedicated curb parking. If you reside in a high traffic region, such as a city or beach town, using services like these. If you have a two-vehicle driveway, a guest parking area that you rarely use, or a space but no car, there is a fantastic idea. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. If you love similar content, please to take a look at my other videos. Stay tuned for the future videos.